Hello, welcome back to another Collins Country video. This isn't one of our most exciting videos, but it's something that we really need to get done. We need to clean the John Deere tractor. Hay season is among us. We're gonna probably be doing hay next weekend. Sorry, babe, I cut your head off. Anyway, so we're gonna be showing you guys today how we use our super clean products to help get all of the grease and just gunk and mud and dirt off the tractor. This stuff works really, really well. We've used it a couple of times on our farm equipment and in the house, and it works great. So anyway, we're gonna show you guys how to use it. And this is kind of exciting because part of the video today is actually a free giveaway. All you got to do is comment down below at any point throughout the video, and we will go through all of the comments and randomly select a winner. If you're chosen, we will comment underneath your comment and let you know that you were selected, and then you will get a free box of super clean products directly from the company. And we will need your first, last name, and full home address so that Super Clean can send you those products. Anyway, let's get started.
I'm going through the tractor right now, and I'm spraying all the greasy spots first.
Okay. All right, so we just got everything that was greasy sprayed on the tractor. Now all we're gonna do is pressure wash it off. Per the directions, you do wanna make sure that you rinse it off before it gets completely dry. So we're gonna do that before it dries. Here we're just going through and wiping off the really dirty spots. Now we're going to spray and clean those tires with this product here. And there he is, our beautiful John Deere tractor, completely cleaned and degreased. Looks really, really nice. Don't forget to comment down below so you can be entered in the giveaway. Have a good week, everyone.